Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to hard reset your Infinix Note 8 phone. And this Infinix, someone forgot their password, and I'm going to show you how to quickly hard reset it. So the first thing you do, you're going to hold the volume up key and the power button. Then after holding it, I hold the volume up and the power key. Then when you see the Infinix logo, when it pops out, you release the button. The buttons at the same time. Then I've released the button. Then this will take me to the command mode, as you can see. So in the command mode, I have to click a sequence of commands so that we go to recovery mode. So what I will do, I'll hold the volume down key and power key, and then I'll hold the volume up key so that we go to recovery mode. So without that command sequence, it won't take you to recovery mode. So when you reach here, you're going to go ahead and use the volume down key and the volume up key to navigate, as you can see. So I want you to go to wipe cache and cache partition, and to accept changes you click the power key, then you say yes, and this won't be undo, it will just delete everything. Then you go down here to wipe cache, to wipe data and factory reset, and click the power key to accept, and this will wipe all your user data in the phone. Then we are okay with that. Then we're going to click the power key. So that takes us to the wiping everything in the phone. So after here, you have to wait for the phone to reboot. And this will take a few minutes from now. And make us see, I'm going to restart the phone after. But thanks for watching. And this is how easy you can do hard reset your Infinix phone. And this would work on other versions of Infinix. So this is how you do it. I'm going to switch off the phone, then after I'll restart it later. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.